Alright, let's get straight to it. Network marketing isn't just about selling products. It's about building a strong team and creating real relationships. It's about building an empire, a legacy, a machine that prints money while you sleep. Today, we're going deeper with advanced strategies to grow your network marketing business. Most people quit because they're playing a small game, focused on transactions, not transformation. You need to think like a CEO, an empire builder. The game is about who builds the biggest, strongest organization over the next 5 years. It's about systems, leverage, and duplication. 95% of network marketers fail because they focus only on selling instead of building trust and systems. After today, you won't make that mistake. You'll have the playbook. Are you ready to commit, to go all in, and build the life you deserve? Let's do this. Stay with me till the end. This one can transform your approach. Lead with education, not your product. Stop jumping into people's DMs with desperate pitches. Be an authority, an expert, the go-to person in your niche. Solve problems by educating your audience first. You're building trust, credibility, and authority with every post. Become a magnet for your ideal customer. They start coming to you, seeing you as a trusted advisor. You're in the business of diagnosing, not convincing. Your homework for the next 30 days, create content that educates and inspires. No direct pitching, just pure value. Let's talk strategy. You need a system to turn strangers into loyal customers and team members. The first step is free, a lead magnet that solves a specific problem. Next, offer a low-cost product to create a transaction. This breaks the trust barrier and filters for serious people. Once they trust you, present your core offer. It's a logical next step for someone you've already helped. This process builds relationships and filters for the right people. By the time someone reaches the top, they're a qualified, enthusiastic buyer. You're not pressuring them, you're guiding them. Map out your ladder: free offer, low ticket offer, core offer. Build a sustainable business, not just one-time customers. Social proof is your most powerful weapon. Collect and showcase it everywhere. Your credibility is built by results, not claims. Testimonials are gold. Screenshot and share them. Post them on social media, email them to your list. One great testimonial is more powerful than 1,000 sales pitches. Before and after stories are magnetic. They allow prospects to see themselves in the story. Share these stories relentlessly. Create an environment of success, a culture of winning. People are drawn to momentum. Shift focus from look at me to look at what my team is achieving. Build massive credibility and FOMO. Start sharing positive comments and results today. Make social proof the cornerstone of your content strategy. The fortune is in the follow-up. Most network marketers fear follow-up, costing them a fortune. People are busy, they forget. It's your responsibility to follow up professionally. Have a value-driven follow-up system. You're not pestering, you're professionally persisting. Use a simple 21-day plan. Day 1, initial exposure. Day 3, follow up with a simple question. Day 7, lead with value, share a testimonial. Day 14, invite to a live Q&A or group. Day 21, make a direct ask. This system works because it's built on respect and value. Most people need 7 to 12 exposures before deciding. Create those exposures professionally. Automate what you can, but do the work. The follow-up is where professionals are made. Close deals, others leave on the table. To create true wealth, focus on duplication. Your success is determined by what your team can duplicate. Complexity is the enemy of duplication. Keep it simple. Have systems that new members can plug into and get results. Create belief and momentum with small wins. Your job is to create simple, duplicable systems. Provide scripts and social media post templates. Have a consistent training schedule. The system runs the business. People run the system. Build a business that grows without you. Can you unplug for 2 weeks and return to growth? That's the power of duplication. Simplify everything until a new person can do it. Build a massive organization with passive, leveraged income. Your social media profile is your digital storefront. Stop spamming with corporate graphics and sales pitches. Build a personal brand that attracts people to you. Follow the 80-20 rule, 80% value, 20% promotion. Share educational content, behind the scenes, and personal stories. Build trust and community. Use live video to build trust at scale. Go live for Q&As, trainings, and interviews. Use private groups to build your inner circle. Provide exclusive content and build a real community. Use DMs to start real conversations. Reply to comments with thoughtful responses. Build relationships one conversation at a time. Turn followers into family and family into a thriving business. Stop broadcasting. Start connecting. Be a human. Be curious. Use social media to build a personal brand. Attract people to you, regardless of your company. Hope is not a strategy. Top earners are obsessed with their numbers. Track your key metrics to know what's working. What gets measured gets managed. Know your numbers, reach outs, conversations, presentations, follow-ups. Use a simple spreadsheet or notebook to track daily and weekly. The data tells you where the bottleneck is. Without data, you're just guessing. Analyze and improve based on the data. Make small adjustments and track results. This is the scientific method applied to your business. Track, analyze, improve. The numbers are feedback, not judgment. Listen to the market's feedback and adjust. Build a predictable, scalable, successful business. We covered a ton of ground today. This is a blueprint for domination in network marketing. Information alone is worthless. Execution matters. What are you going to do with this? Commit to implementing these strategies and playing at a higher level. The difference between the top 1% and everyone else is commitment and consistent action. Show up every day, track your numbers, provide value, lead your team. You have the playbook now. Your future is up to you. Stop making excuses and start building your empire. If you found these tips helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this video. Get your team on the same page. In my next video, I'll share a step-by-step blueprint for building your first 100 customers and team members. Thank you for your attention. Now, go execute.